Now, next topic of your price elasticity of demand is the factors affecting price elasticity of demand. Now, what are the factors that affect price elasticity of demand? Before this topic, we have to understand about elastic and inelastic. Elastic means EP is more than 1. That means demand is more than price. You are demanding at less price. Price is less, demand is more. You are demanding at less price. Inelastic means demand is less than price. Means that price is more than demand. In elastic case, price is more than demand. Means at more price you are demanding. Demand is not zero. You are demanding but at more price. But in this case you are demanding at less price. That is the case of elastic and inelastic. Now, first point is nature of the commodity. Now there are two nature of the commodity, that is necessity nature and luxury nature. Suppose a nature is of necessity like food, medicine, right? These are necessity goods. So in case of necessity, you will demand at more price also. If the medicine is of 2000 rupees, you have to purchase at 2000 rupees. You will not say that I will purchase medicine for 200 only. Whatever the price is, you have to buy it, right? So in this case, necessity mein what will be the case? Inelastic. Why inelastic? Because you have to purchase even at more price. That is the necessity case. If the price is more, you have to purchase, right? But in case of luxury, that will be the case of elastic. Why elastic? Because luxury commodity you can purchase even at less price also. You can buy a car at 5 lakh rupees also, not 10 lakh rupees. Whatever the price is, you can buy it at less price also. It's not necessary to buy a 10 lakh or 20 lakh car, right? So this is a case of necessity and luxury. Next is availability of substitutes. Substitute tea and coffee, Coke and Pepsi. Suppose substitute good is available in the market, so that will be the case of elastic, because you can purchase it even at less price. If Coke is available, Pepsi is not available, so Coke, Pepsi is substitute goods, so you can purchase it even at less price. And if substitutes are not available, that is the case of inelastic. Then possibility of postponement. You cannot postpone food. You have to purchase it, right? It's not possible to postpone it. So not possible way it will be inelastic. But possible way you can say that is the case of elastic, right? Time period, if it is of short period, that is inelastic, because whatever the price is you have to purchase. In long period you have a time, so that will be the case of elastic. Habitual, if a person is in a habit of something, so that will be the case of inelastic, because he will purchase it even if the price is high. And if a person is not in some habit, so it will be elastic, because he can even purchase it at less price. Number of uses, if a commodity is having several uses may you have options, so that will be elastic. If there is a single use of a commodity, that will be inelastic. So these are the various factors that affect price elasticity of demand. That is nature of the commodity, substitutes, possibility of postponement, time period, habits, number of uses. So you can learn any 4 to 5 points. Understood? Thank you.